In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create HubSpot landing pages and forms. Whether you're building your online presence or collecting visitor information through forms, HubSpot offers a seamless way to integrate these essential tools into your marketing strategy. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website by visiting hubspot.com. Once you're there, find the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you haven't created an account yet, you might want to pause the video and sign up, as having your account is essential to proceed with these steps. After you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can navigate to various tools and features offered by HubSpot. Look for the content option. It's generally located on the main navigation bar. Click on it and this will take you to a page where you can manage all of your content types on HubSpot. Now, to create a landing page, find the section labeled Landing Pages and click on it. Landing pages are key for capturing leads and promoting specific products or services effectively. Once in the landing pages area, select Start from Scratch to build a new landing page. This option allows you to craft a page that exactly fits your needs without any predefined structure or design limitations. After you finish setting up your landing page, click on Back to Landing Pages dashboard. This will save your progress and return you to the main landing page section where you can make further edits if necessary. Moving on, let's create a form, which is another integral part of engaging with your audience. Navigate back to the main dashboard and click on Marketing. This will take you to a range of tools designed to enhance your marketing efforts. Within this area, you'll see the Forms option, so go ahead and click on it. In the Forms section, you'll notice a button labeled Create Form. Click on this to start building your form. You should now see an interface that allows you to customize a form to gather the specific information you need from your visitors. Fill in the form fields with relevant information and format it to align with your website's style. Finally, make any necessary adjustments and save your work. Congratulations! You've successfully created a HubSpot landing page and form. Remember, the real power of these tools is realized when you monitor their performance and make continuous improvements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your marketing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.